तीन वीडियोस रिकॉर्ड करता हूँ. Sup guys, Serious 7 here, Master Leon here, whatever you want to call it. So right now, I'm back with my friend Rujav. Say hi. So guys, he has actually been in the channel for a while. Cause he's actually like my new Brawl Stars gaming partner. And Rujav will actually always be my gaming partner because I only have his number and I got his number only in Brawl Stars because in other games no one other gives me their numbers. And guys, if you want to...
I want to tell you...
Nope!
If you want to... Run. First you run, then I... If you want to see these all videos, so you should smash the like button and the subscribe button.
Right guys, do that. And make sure to share the video. No! Make sure to share the video cause then we get like more views and all stuff.
Yes. And wait
Why are you typing? Dude, why are you typing when you can literally tell it out to the audience?
But this is also a good combination. I don't think that this will be a good, but it is a good. Now we have to win. I need 9 trophies and I will get
Give me some sugar.
brawler box.
Brawl box, not a brawler box. Otherwise, you'll get a new brawler easily in just one box. Hello, Sprout. How may I help you? Assistant Piper here for your emergency. Guys, oh shoot! No! God no! I think I should actually come help you cause I told you. Jesus no! Please do not attack me, Sprout. Ow! That Sprout could have just three-shotted me.
Run.
Why are you calling me? God no. Andrew, we killed him. He actually means dead. Bye. I don't want to see your ugly face, you dumb bot. I need serious backup here. No, an Amber! Guys, can you tell me how do these people get Amber in just this much time? You actually want to team up? I salute you. Do not kill him. What? Kill him. I think I should take Carl instead of Piper.
Sugar and spice.
And I take
Seismic activity.
Jackie Chan.
Show my ignorance.
Don't tell it Jackie, tell it Jackie Chan.
Jackie Chan,
Go
okay?
pick some.
But I am more comfortable with that Carl. So can I take Carl and you take Jackie?
Wait, I think I know a good combination. Take this and Rujav, remember to do this. You should
Triangulation.
maintain your distance from your enemies because Piper does a lot of damage if you're far away from your enemies.
Just tell me before. You told me before when we were not recording.
Yeah. Guys, please share the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you know whenever I upload new videos.
Triangulation.
So now, I actually think we're going to win this. We got 2 power cubes. Mr. Putin, that's what the Morty the legend says. Mr. Putin. Like as if he's pudding. Pudding? Yeah. Dude. Hello, Hydra Hero. Hydra Devil. Kill. Headshot. Dude. No. 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 No.
Before there was Hydra Devil.
Yeah, and then Hydra Hero. I think I should take Nani next because Nani is in a low rank for me. Isn't that right, Rajab? No! How did he get 5 power cubes so fast?
Wait. Where the 8-bit gone?
No! I told you to maintain your distance from your enemies. No!
Yes, but by mistake I tapped.
And do not Rajab, do not go for the middle. There's a Piper there's a hungry Piper waiting for you, and there's a Jackie. There's a thick Jackie inside the bushes. Hydra Devil and Hydra other guy is dead. Mr. Puddin! No! I had nothing else to do. I at least anyways got 1+ trophy.
Explanation.
I'm gonna take.
You take Nani and I think I know a good combination with Nani.
Wait, take Jessie because actually take Pam because Pam actually created Nani. And Nani takes care of this Jessie.
Jessie.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nani takes care of Jessie, but Pam created Nani to take care of Jessie because Pam had to go for fight and all right, draw. Come on, why 3 out of 10 members found? And guys, make sure to join our club, right? Rujab, make sure to join our club because we actually have created a new club, and you can see this is actually me, right, Rujab? The guy who's low, CR7 guy in the club.
Who?
CR7, the C
I only.
in the club, in our club, the CR7, the 3 members one in our club. CR7, who's the president?
You are the president, CR7.
Yeah, this is actually my account because I actually I actually made this club in this account because Rujab was actually like one of my best friends in the world. So I've actually made a club and his name is there too in it. And you may be freaked out that I have got Crow. Yes, you can see that I have got Crow. I too got freaked out. I thought it was going to be a BB.
And I want Crow, but I not got Crow in any of one.
But because I'll tell you why did you not get Crow? Because you get brawlers easily. Because I don't know why, but if you Brawl Stars, if they want to know your name so that they can do something with it, I don't know. Maybe make you sign into Supercell ID or something. And I've seen many people.
After this match, our match not play because my net is also not good and my battery is so low. So I will not play after this match.
Okay, so then
Or
in your tablet, you're playing in your tablet, right? And you're calling me in your mother's phone, right?
Yes. I think so. I will play after this match.
Okay,
I
so I
think
think so. Rujav is actually leaving after this match. So yeah, then I'll have to leave the team and
And
all
also
stuff.
tell that I can come in. I think so. I think so. Okay, I can play.
Cause I will actually stop recording after some 1 hour or something because I have to upload videos all day cause I've not uploaded a video in a while. Mr. X, hey, isn't that my partner? And guys, why are many people using Mr. X as a name? Guys, why are many people putting Mr. X as their name?
Help me. The bee is here. Near me. With bow. Bow.
A surge is literally chasing me. Hehe, nice try. You guys activated my bait card.
And please help me. Please.
You're already dead, you know that, right? God, thank goodness they did not see me.
From Super Brawler. He is not easy. He is easy. But he is
No, you ain't getting my partner this day, buddy. You ain't getting my partner. But you have the guts to fight Nani.
And you damaged him and I killed him again.
Because I actually damaged him to make so that you killed
Otherwise
him.
I cannot.
So mostly I put in the work there.
Fight.
You can say that I put in the work there. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Use your turret for our protection and all stuff.
He killed him. Now I will kill him.
Killed him. Surge killed. So guys, I think I'm going to end the video here. So make sure to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you know whenever I upload new videos. Bye. Master Leon signing out.